Hey, so today I actually have some tap for you. This is just basic moves you can do at home so you can keep practicing and keep learning. Okay, we're gonna start with warm up by toe taps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7 to the back. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the side. Same thing on the left. And 8. 4, 3, 2 to the side. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the side. Good. Little faster, all the way around. Other side. And reverse. 6, 7, 8, reverse. Just toe heels, right and left. Toe, heel, toe, heel. So if you can see my feet, toe, heel. Little faster. Good. Hands on your hips if you want. Toe, heel. Crab roll. So up, up, down, down. Good. Up, I'll go side. Up, up, down, down. Come back this way for you. A little faster. Up, up, down, down. Good. Faster. Up and down, up, down. Good. Shake it out. We're going to do a shuffle. So brush, spank, step, real slow. Brush, swing, step. A little faster. Brush, swing, step. 2 sounds. Brush, swing, step. To the side. Brush, swing, step. Brush, swing, step. Woo! Lost my balance. A little faster. 2 sounds. 6, 7, 8. Good. Shake it out. We're gonna tap, tap, tap. Good. Toe, heel, front. Still warming up. Toe, heel, side. Other side. Okay, back to just shuffles. We're gonna go to the sides. Yeah. Now take out the step. Good. Side, side. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just taking out the step and hopping. Good. See how fast you can go. Really bend the knees. So we're going to do toes, lift toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, other way, toes, heels. They both move together. Good. Other way faster, heel, toe. Other way. Just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 2. How you doing? Good. And shake it out. So something similar. So we're going to go toe, toe, heel, heel. And then other way, heel, heel, toe, toe. Just making some rhythms with our feet. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Say it. your ankles should be pretty warm. We're gonna go back and work on a buffalo. So your heel is up and in front of your chin. You're gonna fall on it, shuffle, spank step, hop back. Hop, shuffle, hop back. So this is called a buffalo, and you're just falling and coming back. Fall, come back. So that's the movement. Now the sounds, you're gonna hear one when you fall, and then two when you shuffle. Hop back, and another when you hop back. So this is 1, 2, and, sorry, you missed it. Here, shuffle, hop back. Fall, shuffle, hop. Fall, good. Fall, shuffle, hop. Good. And let's try the other side. So our other leg comes in front right by our shin. We're gonna fall onto it, shuffle, hop back. Fall, shuffle, hop. Add the arms if you want. Good, so this is usually meant to be a traveling step. So you can go either way, but on your travel is when you fall on your bent leg. And you can alternate. Yeah, how'd we do? This is similar to a buffalo. It's called the Maxie Ford. So you hop, shuffle, hop, step. Hop, shuffle, hop, step. Hop, shuffle, hop, step. Good. Hop, shuffle, hop, step. So it's very similar to our buffalo, except you touch in the back. Yeah. So on the other side, what that looks like is hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Good. Hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Good. So practice that a few times. This is, just to recap, this is our buffalo. This is our Maxie Ford. Very similar. I love these ones. These are called paddle and roll. So basically we're making 4 sounds. So heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So breaking it down, heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. So I'm going to do it to the side just so you can watch my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm keeping my knees bent. Yeah. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So that's what you're working towards. So paddle and roll or paradiddle. I've heard it called both ways. So let's practice that. So breaking it down on the right leg again. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Heel, spank, toe, heel. Good. Once you get it, practice on your own time. This is a video. You can slow it down. You can pause it. Just practice this. Yeah. Good. Okay guys, so just as a recap of what we did today, we worked on 3 specific moves. So first one was our buffalo. Hop, shuffle, hop back. Hop, shuffle, hop back. On the left leg, hop, shuffle, hop back. Hop, shuffle, hop back. The second move is our Maxie Ford. So we hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Very similar. Hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Hop, shuffle, hop, toe. And on the left side, hop, shuffle, hop, toe. Hop, shuffle, hop, toe. And move number 3 is our paddle and roll or paradiddle. So we go heel, spank, toe, heel. Good. Heel, spank, toe, heel. A little faster. So this is an alternating step. Yeah. Good. So I I want you to practice all of those moves at home. Make sure your ankles are warm, that you do the warm-up first, and have fun with it. Thanks, guys.